Notice of preliminary objection.
Philemon Kiogora, Godfrey Kinoti na Joshua Mweregi nio matemanĩtie cira ũyũ igotiini rinene ria Meru makienda gũbunjwo gwa kamiti ya President William Ruto amurire kiumia kĩhĩtũku ya guthuthuria ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũnini wa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa Iebc Juliana Cherera, Makamicina Julius Nyang'aya, Irene Masit na Francis Waderi nĩ kũregana na maumiriria ma githurano kia President githurano-inĩ kĩhĩtũku.
In our petition and in our application, we are seeking orders against the tribunal that was set up by the president. Yes. And if you look at the petition that is in Nairobi, it's not talking about those issues. So, my Lord, we feel that this is a matter that should proceed here as filed, because, my Lord, the 3 petitioners are citizens and they have come through this court in defense of the Constitution, even under Article 3(1) of the Constitution.
Kuhitũkĩra wakiri wao Kiogora Mugambi, atatu aya nĩ magĩrĩkie nĩ mahinya ma kamiti ĩno guthurima makamicina aya makiuga gĩgatiba igoti karu noyo ĩna mahinya ma kũng'ethanĩra na macira makoniĩ gĩthurano kĩa President. Rĩu makienda kamiti ĩno ĩrũgamio gũthitanga, kwarĩrĩria kana kũheana mendekithia makoniĩ makamicina aya. Makamicina aya nĩ makuruhanĩtio ta nyitĩte mĩcira-inĩ ũyũ, no na gũkiri ũguo mawakiri ao nĩ maikĩtie ihoya igoti rĩmeherie cira-inĩ ũyũ. Wakiri wa Cherera Apollo Mboya akiuria Cherera ndagakuruhanio cira-inĩ ũyũ kuona nĩ arĩkĩtie gũtiga wĩra.
Be following on our own, not through this litigation, so she requests to be excused from this litigation.
Irene Masit na Francis Waderi no makamicina aria matari mareyeheria. Wakiri wa Masit akiendekithia Masit ona akendaga kuruhanio cira-inĩ ũyũ.
I don't want to be involved in this case, my lord, because I don't know this. I don't know the intention of the petitioners. I don't know where they came from. We don't know them, my lord. Okay. So we don't have a common strategy. Not even you don't make any orders, my lord, in any whether to dismiss or to allow until we have our own strategy which we want to follow.
On the basis of the urgency shown, I will allow the parties who wish to file motions. I think that was the Attorney General and Mr. Sore, is it? The Attorney General and the National Assembly who wish to file. I will only grant 2 days, meaning today, end of today, tomorrow, court clerk. By Friday, we have everybody's motion in.
Tariki 13 mweri wa Dithemba nĩrĩo Jaji Edward Muriria kaheana mwerekera mũkinyanĩru ũkonainie na cira ũyũ.
Attorney General
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mubi wa Shege.
After 2 days we put in a reply.